Hi, in this video we are going to understand an annotation called enable admin server in Spring Boot. Right? Spring Boot admin allows you to administer and monitor multiple Spring Boot applications using a single dashboard. In our video Spring Boot Actuator endpoints, we saw that using the endpoints we can check many parameters or information about the Spring Boot application. For example, the /help/env, etc. Right? I recommend you click on the whole link displayed here to go through the Spring Boot Actuator endpoints to understand the concept well. Now, this idea is fine for monitoring microservices application. Assume you have many Spring Boot applications running live in production and you have to check their behavior by hitting the endpoints every time on the browser, right? So this becomes a tedious job. Now, to solve this, they have come up with Spring Boot admin module, which will provide us an admin UI dashboard to administer Spring Boot applications. So this module crunches the data from actuator endpoints and provides insights about all the registered applications in a single dashboard. Right, so this is about at enable admin server annotation. So why is it important? It is important because you can administer the working of multiple Spring Boot applications in a dashboard. Right, so how do we achieve this? Let's see how do we achieve this in a procedure. Okay, so as a first step we have to create a Spring Boot application. As we know, a Spring Boot admin server module by adding the below Maven dependencies. So in one of my earlier videos you can see a file called pom.xml, right, which is a recipe for Spring Boot applications. Right, so here you're going to add these two dependencies in the pom.xml in your Spring Boot project. Okay, this is the first step we are supposed to do. So the second step is the most important one, where we add the annotation at enable admin server for your Spring Boot application. Right, this is added just next to the annotations of at Spring Boot application. Right, so here you can see at enable admin server just above the Spring Boot application. If you're not familiar with the annotation at Spring Boot application, I would recommend you to go through one of my initial videos wherein we explain in detail about the components involved inside at Spring Boot application. Okay, this is a combination of multiple annotation, right? It explains more about at component scan and all that stuff. Okay, so basically this is the second step which we are supposed to follow. Okay, the next thing is, if needed, you can create some more Spring Boot applications. Okay, this is based on the requirement. Assume you have like 3 to 4 Spring Boot applications. If you want, you can go ahead and create that. Okay, the final thing is in the application.properties file, right? You can go ahead and add this line wherein it says spring.boot.admin.url is equal to http://localhost :::. This is your port number. == is your port number. You can have your own port number, right? So in this port will be listening to the Spring Boot, the admin server. Okay, so after this you can start the admin server. You'll be able to see the status of the applications in == port, right? So this is about enable admin server annotation, right? Thank you so much for watching this video.